In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Dolby Sound in your VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up VLC Media Player, select the Tools menu, and then go down and select Preferences. At the bottom where it says Show Settings, you want to select All. And then you want to navigate to the audio settings on this page on the left panel here. Just by selecting audio on the left panel here, there should be something on the right side that says Force Detection of Dolby Sound. Click the drop down and select On, and then you would select Save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.